Okay, so we're on to the tail, which is video 11 of the fox. So we're going to loosen in front of your two fingers, make an X across, go into the first piece of yarn and pull through with the second. And then get your yarn in a good working position. I'm just pulling some extra yarn out to work with here. Okay, so we are going to get our working yarn set and we're going to make a chain. And then we need 3 single crochet to start with. So that one is our first one, and we're going to make 2 single crochet to make 3 stitches total. And we're going to pull this loose end, and then we'll find 1, 2, 3. We're working into this stitch right here. We're going to yarn over and pull through everything on your hook. And then we're going to chain 1. This is round 2. We're going to go 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So work into that same stitch that you just did the slip stitch into. And you're going to do a single crochet. So we've got our chain and single crochet for 2 stitches. And then we're going to go into this loop right here. We're going to yarn over, pull through, make our first single crochet, and you're going back into that same stitch to do our second crochet. And then we're going to go into this third stitch right here, and we're going to do 2 single crochet in there. So we went from 3 single crochet to 6 single crochet on this round. And then you're going to kind of flip your work this way to make the right side out. We're going to find that first stitch, which should be right here, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch right here, and that'll be the end of round 3, or sorry, round 2. We're going to restart 3. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to do 2 single crochet into this stitch right here. So our chain and single crochet count as 1, or for the 2 single crochet. And then we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and we're going to repeat that around. So we're going to do 2 single crochet into this next one right here. That's 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet. And then this is the last repeat right here. We're going to do 2 single crochet and then 1 single crochet. And then we will pull that together with a slip stitch. And then we're going to chain 1. We should have 9 stitches at the end of that. We're going to do 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. And that's going to be our repeat. So the chain counts as 1. We're going to do our second single crochet in there. And then we're going to do 1 in the next, 1 in the next. And 2 single crochet, 1, 2. And 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. And then we're going to do 2 into this next one. And then 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet. Then we will slip stitch into this first stitch and pull through everything. Now we are on round 5, and we are going to chain 1, and we're doing 2 single crochet into this. So single crochet into that same stitch, and then we're going to do 1 into the next, and then 1 into the next, one into the next. And then we're going to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and then 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1, 1, and then we're going to slip stitch right here into that first stitch. We're on round 6, and we're going to chain 1, single crochet into that same stitch to do a 2 single crochet into that one stitch, and then the next one is single crochet 1, and then single crochet 1. We are going to repeat that around, so that's going to be 1, 2, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and this is the last repeat right here. We're going to do 1, 2, 1, and 1. We're going to slip stitch into this first stitch of the round, pull it together, and for round 7 through 10 we're just going to single crochet around. So that's just chain 1 and then go to the next stitch and single crochet, and you're just doing 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and then you'll slip stitch to the end of the, to like pull the round together. So the first stitch of the round is what you're going to slip stitch into, and then you'll chain 1 and work your single crochet all the way around. And we're going to do that for rows 7, 8, 9, and 10, and I will meet you back at the end of round 10. And I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back to the end of that round 10, and we're just going to switch colors to the pumpkin yarn. So again, we're going to do that the same way we've done in the other works. So you're going to go through like your slip stitching. You're going to put the loose end of the pumpkin yarn on the right side of your hook and the working yarn on the left side. And you'll pull that through all of your work here. And then just to hold it tight, you're going to pull that loose end of the white yarn and the working end of your white yarn. And then pull both sides of the pumpkin yarn, and you're going to hold that with your work here. And then you'll chain 1 with the working yarn of your orange, and that's just going to hold everything in place right there. And then we're going to round 11 to 13 just single crochet around. So same thing you were just doing, go into the next stitch, you're going to single crochet, go to the next stitch, single crochet, and then when you get to the end of that round, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch, which I'll show you what that looks like here when we get to the end, because it'll look a little different than normal just because of the color change. However, you probably have a stitch marker to show you where the last one is and the first one, so that'll be helpful for you. But almost to the end here. Alright, so this last one, you're actually going to work into this stitch right here. And then this is where you'll slip stitch. So you're just going to do that for rounds 12 and 13, and I'll meet you back at the end of 13. Before I meet you back at the end of 13, you can go ahead and cut this working yarn of the white yarn, and that'll be out of your way. So now I will meet you back at the end of 13. Okay, so I just did the last stitch of round 13, and I'm going to slip stitch to this first stitch of the round, pull that together, and then we're going to chain 1 for round 14. We're going to single crochet 2 together. So we'll do single crochet into the next stitch. So this, we're doing single crochet, single crochet, single crochet 2 together. So I had my chain, single crochet, and this is where we're doing the single crochet 2 together. So we're going in to the next stitch, yarn over and pull through to the front, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through to the front. So we've got 3 loops, and then we'll yarn over and pull through all 3. And then we're going to single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 2 together. We'll single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 2 together, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 2 together. And this should be the last repeat right here. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and single crochet 2 together. And then we'll slip stitch right here. And this is round 15. We're going to chain 1, and then we'll single crochet 1 in each stitch all the way around. And you should have 15 stitches here in this round when you finish. Alright, so we're going to slip stitch to the first stitch in that round, and then round 16 we're going to single crochet together again. So we're doing 1 single crochet, single crochet 2 together. So chain 1 counts as your 1 single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet 2 together, and 1 single crochet, single crochet 2 together, 1 single crochet, single crochet 2 together, 1 single crochet, single crochet 2 together. And this is our last round right here. We're going to do 1 single crochet, and then single crochet 2 together. And then we should be able to slip stitch right here in the first stitch of that round. Now for rounds 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So rounds 17 to 21, you're going to single crochet in each stitch around, and you should have 10 stitches in each of these. So you're just going to chain 1 and then slip stitch in each stitch, and when you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch to the first stitch in the round, and then you'll chain 1, single crochet all the way around, and then slip stitch that first stitch of the round, and you're going to do that until you get to round 21. So I'll meet you back at the end of round 21 to show you what the tail looks like. Okay, so I'm back to the end of round 21, and we're just going to slip stitch that first stitch of the round, pull it together. This is what your tail should look like. And then we're just going to fasten off by yarn over, pull through, pull tight, and leave 10 to 12 inches at the end. Cut your yarn, pull your working yarn, and then this is what we'll use to fasten the tail to the body after we stuff it here. So all of the pieces are made. Now we just have to piece it together in class, and I will see you guys in class. And this is the end of video 11. All right, see you guys.